With regards to training, learning how to use your table, for starters, it is very user-friendly, very intuitive, but included with the price of our plasma table is the introductory class, and that can be done over the phone, or if you want to come down to Vegas and visit our facility, we can have it here in our facility, and we'll teach you everything you need to know about operating your table, getting your program set, getting your settings for the cut height, the cut speed, all of that squared away, and we teach you everything you need to know about operating your table. In early 2020, we'll be launching our Learning Center. What our Learning Center is looking to accomplish is to teach individuals who maybe have very little design experience, very little CNC experience on how to design the things that they want to cut, how to design art or precision pieces. We'll teach you everything you need to know about getting those programs under your belt. And then in addition, we'll also teach you how to transfer those designs from the design software to our controller software. And that's all included in a 2-day course.